I looked at the radar, I said to my producer something to the effect of, "This doesn't look good." Not long after that siren started blaring, we did a quick live shot, tossed everything in the car, and took off to the hotel for shelter. We made it back in time. The tornadoes did touch down that day around us. The next morning, we went live from where one of the tornadoes touched down and had done damage. It was scary. Tornadoes actually scare me the most because they're so unpredictable and impossible to figure out exactly where they are going to touch down. For the most part, you can prepare for all other forms of weather.
If the tornado hit where they were,
They said around them. Ooh, should have tackled.
And he's tackled at the 47-yard line.
Question, what is one fact people may be surprised to know about you?
That'll make it second down.
What?
there's usually a woman.
Answer, I would rather be watching college football than shopping. Actually, watching the Florida Gators do anything is one of my favorite things to do. Shopping for clothes and such, I don't mind the grocery store. It's more of a chore to me than anything. I wish I could have a great wardrobe without having to shop.
Nice job there jamming the running back.
That's something you don't typically hear from a kid.
Sometimes those outside backers a little more athletic, it can really help stop the run.
What fascinates you most about the weather? Answer, the thing that fascinates me about the weather is that it's constantly changing and no two systems are the same. There's always something new to learn and new challenges when it comes to forecasting. I like the challenge and love learning new stuff about it.
And just try and get that thing back to the line of scrimmage.
And that's about all she has. Which makes my go.
Okay.
She has 236,000 likes.
It's fourth down. The Packers are lining up to punt this one away.
The Packers.
Yep.
No, good
Goes into
word.
the end zone for a touchback.
Good word.
This offense really needs to get something going in
Ooh, I
this
saw
series. A
Chillar.
game like this can quickly get out of hand. Before you know it, you have to get away from that game plan and start taking more chances.
I like taking chances. And then the ones that fail, like you can.
Mike Brettis.
Be your own bias.
Co-host at the all my hometown, Talmadge, Ohio. Education, BS, and Atmospheric Sciences, Ohio State University. I think yes.
I know.
They'll start his drive at the 20. He's searching for a receiver.
Bounce?
Yeah, that's a pretty safe
think
throw
Saldivar
there.
can do
Where
a solo
only
for
the
him.
receiver can make a play on the ball.
Yep.
Just a little
He
too wide on
teleported.
that one.
Interests and hobbies. I like to surf the internet, watch college football, especially Ohio State football.
Ooh, I bet you he and that lady would get in mixed arguments about college football.
On their own 20-yard line.
I think they probably do. They co-host the same show after all.
Hmm.
And work out.
Okay.
I've finished dozens of races and triathlons, including the 2006 Rock and Roll Half Ironman in Georgia,
Nearly picked
Half
off.
Ironman.
He should have had that one.
and also in hope to someday race in the Ironman in
They can't
Hawaii.
hook up on that pass. Now the offense
I also
will be
collect
facing
sports
third
cards and
down.
bobbleheads.
Interesting.